Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a TWIC card at the airport. So the first step is optional. Before you fly, add pre-check eligibility to your reservation. If you're an active TWIC holder who meets TSA's criteria, you can enter your TWIC CIN on the back of the card in the airline's known traveler number or KTN field so your boarding pass may show TSA pre-check. If your pass shows pre-check, you can use the pre-check lane. Of course, bring your TWIC to the airport, carry your unexpired card and your boarding pass, may it be digital or paper. Your TWIC serves as your photo ID at the checkpoint. At the TSA document check, present your TWIC. The officer will visually inspect it and at many airports, scan it with a CAT or CAT2 reader to verify your identity and flight info. You may not need to show a boarding pass and CAT equipped podiums, just follow officer instructions. Of course, choose the correct screening lane. If your boarding pass shows TSA pre-check indicator, use the pre-check lane. If it doesn't, use the standard lane even if you have a TWIC. And lastly, complete the X-ray or CT screening as usual. Proceed through the checkpoint following officer directions. Shoes, belts, laptops, rules depend on whether you're in pre-check and what tech the lane uses. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!